Welcome back, traders. I hope all of you guys had a good weekend and are ready to come back and trade with us once again. So I do have a few setups I would like to share with you guys, starting off with GBPJPY. So on the weekly time frame, we actually failed to break below the consolidation box. Instead, we formed a bullish engulfing the previous previous 3 weeks of candlestick price action prior to last week. So we just formed a bullish engulfing, and even though we're still stuck in the consolidation, we could see price actually come up and spike at the top of this level of the resistance here at the consolidation box once again, before ultimately looking for a break or a bounce scenario. But for right now, obviously, you would have to wait for the daily closure to confirm if price is going to continue to push to the upside, or if we will reject 143.280, as it has been holding as a strong, firm level of resistance for the past 4 weeks. So daily time frame, we're essentially going to be waiting for the daily closure to see if price can have either a closure above or a closure below. So if that does occur, if it has a closure above, we would look for the retest and a continuation. And if it has a closure below, we would wait for obviously the retest and then a continuation back towards the downside. Now, if we happen to see price continuing to push to the upside, this would give us around 110 pips or so. However, if price rejects 143.280 and has say for example forms a bearish engulfing or even another doji candlestick, we would then look for a potential short opportunity back towards the downside of around 180 pips. Now, obviously, this won't be exactly at the line, so I'm just going to bring this a bit closer. Say around this area, we would be looking for 160 pips or so. So either way, we would be looking for a trade opportunity on GBPJPY, as it is a considerable amount of pips to make on a potential trade. Now, if we happen to maintain a closure below, then we would look for this level of support resistance to be taken out before looking to enter our position. So say for example we had a daily closure below, we would then look for this mini support to be taken out. We would look for the retest and then a short opportunity back towards the downside. All right, so GBPJPY overall, it's basically a break or bounce scenario. We would just have to wait for the daily closure to confirm our analysis and our setup and to see which way that the price would like to go.